Hey folks, welcome to my channel Number Pen. So there we have the problem on our screen. Integrate the following with respect to x. X to the power 24 divided by x to the power 25, right? So whenever we've been given integrate the following with respect to x, the function that's been given to us here in this case is our dy by dx, and we've been asked to find y, right? And I have x to the power 24 divided by x to the power 25, which means I have x to the power 24 minus 25, right? Which is nothing but 1 by x, right? So this is what I have. And I want you to immediately draw a parallel to what we have learned in our first principles, right? I know that when my dy by dx equals 1 by x, my y equals log of x, right? Why is that? Because my d by dx of log x equal to 1 by x, right? And therefore, one answer to this particular problem could be log x, right? And imagine if I have had a log x plus, say, f5, still I would get the answer as d by dx of log x plus 5 will be equal to 1 by x. And suppose if it was log x plus 10, right? Then again, my d by dx of log x plus 10 is 1 by x, because my d by dx of a constant 10 is 0, right? And that's why we tell that a particular function has got multiple antiderivatives. Why? Because my d by dx of log x plus any arbitrary constant is also 1 by x, right? And therefore, when we write our final answer, this is how we write it. Y equals integral of 24 by 25 dx, which is equal to dx by x. Dx by x is nothing but log of x plus c, right? But then there's a small correction that we'll have to make to this particular final answer. And what is that? We know that when we have log of a variable, right, the variable always has to be positive, because log of a negative number does not exist, right? So the way to represent this final answer is log of mod of x plus c, right? And then log is the natural logarithm here, so we can write it as ln of mod of x plus c, right? So that's the final answer to this particular problem. And we have a mod of x in place of x here, and which means that whenever x is positive, our mod x is equal to x, and whenever x is negative, our mod of x is equal to minus x, right? Because we can never have the log or the ln of negative number, and that's why we introduce the mod function here whenever we have the integral for dx by x, right? So that's it. I'm going to highlight this in pink. I hope you found this content useful. Please do subscribe to my channel and support. Thank you.